Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Just going for a short review on the Red Rooster exhaust right out, and I've got a new microphone, so I hope you like it. They say that it creates a 20% boost in performance, and it's crafted from a top tier SS304 stainless steel, and it has a lifetime guarantee on the materials. I brought this bike with about 535 kilometers on it, and I ran it in with the standard exhaust, and then I switched to the Red Rooster. I've had the Red Rooster for about 3 years on this motorcycle, and it has a lovely soft sound when you're just burbling along, but when you open her up she gets really sporty and snarly, which is rather addictive. They say that you don't need to tune the exhaust when you put them on, but I have found that you do, because the Enfields run lean with the standard exhaust on anyway, and I put a K&M filter on this and it just made it run really hot, so I have tuned it to suit the exhaust. I have raised the needle to the bottom notch, and I also have tuned the idle screw, and I changed the main jet to a 112. The standard jet is a 110, 110. I used a Gunston tuning kit, which basically is a spark plug with a window in it, and you can see the colour of the explosion. And I found that really good and accurate way to tune it, because I'm not one of these people who has an ear for carburetors who can just tune it and you know, they turn it this way, turn it that way, and it's spot on. And I just spend hours turning it one way, turning it the other, and it just doesn't tune. So that's how I tuned it. If you want me to do a video about it, just say so in the comments, and I'll do a video about using the Gunston tune kit. If you put the exhaust on and you're rolling the throttle back and you're getting popping in the exhaust, then you know it's running lean and it needs tuning. Would I recommend this exhaust? Oh yes, definitely. I took it back to the standard about 6 weeks ago and put the original exhaust on, and I just found it was just like riding an asthmatic. It was so bad, and the sound was so quiet, and it was cruising at about 80, 85, but with the red Rooster on, I'm cruising at 95 to to 100, and it just really does make a difference. And you can just get to the bottom of a hill and you can just leave the throttle as it is and just chug up the hill, which I wouldn't be able to do on the standard exhaust. So yes, I definitely would recommend it. Well guys, if there's anything you need to know about the exhaust, just put it in the comments and I'll get back to you. Well, did you enjoy that? If you did, give us a like and press the subscription and I'll send you another video.